Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to learn about the relationship between HCF and LCM. So the product of any pair of numbers and the numbers are A and B equals to the product of their HCF and LCM. It means that when the product of any two pairs of number A or B equals to the product of their HCF, that is the relationship between HCF and LCM. Now here we have equation HCF, product of HCF and LCM equals to the product of any pair of numbers. We have A and B. So symbolically A and B are two numbers. So let us start the solution of relation between HCF and LCM. Now exercise 3.3 question number 6, the HCF two numbers is 7 and their LCM is 140. Now the value of HCF and LCM is given that if we have two numbers and the HCF of two numbers is 7 and the LCM is 140, if one of the number is 28. Now if one of the number we have taken that A and B. So if A is given 28, find the other number, it means we have to find B. According to relation, we will write here that first we will make the data HCF equals to 7, LCM equals to 140. Now first number is one number that it equals to 28 and we have to find the other number. So other number will be B. Here one number we will take A and B is the other number which we have to find. So according to relation we have that product of any two pair of numbers, any pair of number and the product equals to product of HCF and LCM. So here we have A that is 28 multiplied by B will be as it is because we have to find the other number. HCF is 7 and LCM is 140. Now we will divide 28 with 7 and multiply by 140. First we will find the product of 7 and 140. We will do it in rough work. 140 multiplied by 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 fours are 28. 2 will be carried, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 980. So the product of HCF and LCM is 980. Now 28 multiplied B will be as it is. Now here we will shift to the right side. 28 is multiplying here. Now we will divide it with 20, 980. So when we divide it, we get, now here we will divide 28 with 980. So here we have 28 ones are 28, 28 threes are 84. So when we subtract 84 from 98, we have 14 that will be carried to 1 0. So it makes 140. So here we will write that 28 ones are 28, 28 35s are 980. So the other number will be 35, that is B. Now note down the homework. Do exercise 3.3 question number 7 and 8 in copy. Our unit 3 is completed here. Inshallah we will start next unit in next class. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.